Check it out one time. I go by the name of DJ Basic, representing that little Green Apples crew.
Yo, what's up? It's Menno, Hustle Kids, Dev Dogs, Red Bull BC1 All-Stars, and I'm here in Nagoya with Break Advice.
Hey, what's up, Bboy? Today, in this Quickstep video, we are gonna learn how to bounce in backrocks and variations with Bboy menno. Remember that this workshop serves you a space for you dance. There are 2 steps necessary for achieve this. Step 1. Execute the shoulder freeze that explains you Bboy menno.
2. On your right shoulder and your right feet on the floor. So with normal back rocks, we would go 1, 2.
Step 2. A variation for this background. In this step, you must add originality of your dance. As you can see, Bboy menno use a support.
You roll out to this position, and from here you have the power to jump. So you go a bit farther. So now from this position, it makes it easier to go back because you're long. You have the time to jump back to your shoulder and get the momentum to kick back. So check it out.
Step 3. Play with the combination. The way for combined backrocks gives you more originality.
You can do this both ways. And you can choose either way you jump left, or you jump in a circle, or you jump right. After the jump, you have 2 options. You can go from jump, roll back to your back rock right-handed, but you can also roll in left-handed. So there's a lot of ways and directions to play with.
Okay, B-boys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more content.